In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image-to-video clip in Renderforest. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single image into a polished, animated video with the right settings for your platform and purpose. First, open your browser and go to the Renderforest website. On the main page, you'll see options for different creation tools. You can choose between text-to-video story or image-to-video. Text-to-video story is great if you want to build a video from a written script. In this tutorial, we're focusing on image-to-video, which takes an existing image and brings it to life with motion and effects. Head into the image-to-video section. You'll be prompted to upload your image. Pick a high-resolution file for the best results. Larger, clearer images tend to animate more cleanly and avoid visible artifacts. If you have multiple versions of the same image, choose the one with the best lighting and contrast. It helps the system interpret edges and details more accurately. Next, adjust the duration, aspect ratio, and quality. Duration determines how long your final clip will run. Shorter durations work well for quick social posts, while a few extra seconds can make room for smoother pans and subtle transitions. Aspect ratio should match where you plan to publish. 16.9 fits YouTube and most widescreen players. 9:16 is ideal for vertical stories and shorts, and 1.1 is friendly for square feeds. Quality controls how sharp the final video appears. Higher quality looks better but can take longer to process. If you're testing ideas, start lower to preview quickly, then switch to a higher setting for your final render. Now type in your prompt. This is where you describe the style and motion you want. Be clear and specific. Mention the subject, the mood, and any movement you'd like, such as a slow zoom, gentle pan, or cinematic lighting. If you're aiming for a particular aesthetic, minimal, vibrant, glossy, or vintage, say so. Short, concrete phrases usually work best and reduce the chance of unexpected results. When everything looks good, generate your video, and you're done. The system will process your request and create the animation based on your image and prompt. After rendering finishes, review the result. If something feels too fast, too tight, or not quite on theme, go back, tweak the duration, aspect ratio, quality, or wording in your prompt, and generate again until it matches your vision. That's all you need to create a clean, compelling image-to-video clip in Renderforest.